Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to sign up for Amazon Flex as a driver. As you can see here, we are at flex.amazon.com, and here it says start driving and earning today. So what you want to do is click on download the app to sign in. This is a mobile app, so this is available on the Android Play Store or Apple App Store. So you can just sign up. This is available in the US, by the way. And just if you have an iPhone or an Android device, you can go to the store, or if you want to go straight to installing it on your device, all you need to do is, for example, in my case, view Google Play QR code. And as you can see here, I am scanning, and as you can see here, this is going to be what it looks like on the Play Store. But as you know, I'm not in the US right now, so it's not available. But I have some screenshots, and as you can see, this is what you're going to see first. And you're going to be asked, when you sign up, you're going to be asked for the usual, your name, your address, and your information. And as you can see here, you're going to be asked for your personal information again, your region, preferred scheduling, device phone number, legal information, offline maps, and so on and so forth. And other information like delivery method, driver's license, vehicle information, bank account, tax information, insurance, COVID vaccines, and alcohol permits. These are all the things that you need to show them and, just give access to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next one.